In this video, are we expecting more bullish weeks for the Bitcoin price action? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click this button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, this is a re-upload video kasi yung previous video hindi na record na maayos yung screen, so ulitin natin yung analysis. So let's start first with the smaller time frame. So in the smaller time frame, if you're going to look into the 4-hour time frame, you can see na Bitcoin has actually broken the resistance nitong support and resistance area nito. As you can see, Bitcoin actually made a bounce dito, then got rejected sa resistance, then got a support area, and then as you can see, na-break niya na yung resistance ngayon. So right now, we are expecting Bitcoin to somewhat go up to the 66,000 US dollars. So that is what I am now expecting for Bitcoin for the very short term. And for the very short term, meron din ako inopen na short term long position dito. Maliit lang na long position, but yeah, that long position is for the 66,000 US dollars target. And as you can see, meron din tayo nag-form na ascending channel dito in the 4-hour time frame. And you can clearly see this in the 4-hour time frame na nagkakaroon tayo dito ng support and resistance din. So it's more likely going to tell us na 66,000 US dollars is going to be the resistance nitong Bitcoin price action. But if ever na magkaroon tayo dito ng breakout, what you can do is we can plot a line dito from the resistance to the support area. Then lagay natin siya sa possible point of breakout. You will find now we actually have a potential movement of up to 69,000 US dollars if Bitcoin breaks this ascending channel. So yeah, a lot of things to monitor dito for the very short term. But other than that, wala tayong clear indicators forming dito. So right now, we are relying sa support and resistance dito ni Bitcoin price action. Now, zooming out, if you are going to look at this in the daily time frame, you will find that in the daily, meron din tayong nagpo-form na bullish divergence. So, nag-decline na dito yung price action ni Bitcoin. But at the same time, RSI is still increasing. So, that is a sign of a bullish divergence. So, this is telling us that we are going to see a bullish movement pa din dito kay Bitcoin. So, that is what we are monitoring dito for the daily time frame. And as for the weekly time frame, if you're going to zoom out sa weekly, meron din tayong mas malaking bullish divergence forming. Ayun, declining yung price while RSI is also increasing. So, a lot of bullish signs telling us na we are going to see bullish Bitcoin price action for the next few days or next few weeks. And yeah, this is actually looking good for the whole crypto market. And on top of that, sa weekly time frame din kasi meron din tayong bullish stochastic RSI cross. So this is telling us na we are going to see more bullish weeks kay Bitcoin. So that is what I am expecting overall dito kay Bitcoin. No changes dun sa long-term trades ko. Right now, yung long-term trades ko, if umakit siya dito to the 70,000 US dollars or 73,000, then that would mean na we are already in profits na dun sa long-term long position natin. But yeah, right now, that is what we are going to expect with the Bitcoin price action. And anyway, I think that's all the update na I could provide. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.